Thank you so much for being here. It's a really great pleasure to host JuliaCon Local Paris 2025. And I'm really happy that so many of you made the journey to join us here this morning, however early it may be and however many strikes the French people decided to set up. So welcome to Paris. For those who haven't been, I hope you took a few more days to explore the city. I hope you'll enjoy the very many touristic attractions that we have in store. I just want to say a few words about the specific venue that we're in. This is the Conservatoire National des Arts et Métiers, which is hosting us today. And if you have some time in the coming days, it's not only a research, teaching, and cultural institution, but there's also an epic science museum next door. If you've ever heard, for instance, about Foucault's pendulum, with which the rotation of the Earth was proved, it's next door in a chapel. There's also one of the very first calculators that was made according to designs by Blaise Pascal. So really worth checking out. Lots of awesome machinery in there. And as you might have heard, the lunches and dinner are not provided by the conference, but we're lucky to be in the center of Paris, so there's plenty of restaurants nearby. And if you want to coordinate or find some groups to join, it will happen on the JuliaCon Slack channel, so I invite you. And there will be a karaoke. Thank you, Chris. JuliaCon karaoke is a time-honored tradition, and we will not make an exception this year. This is the important slide, so I invite you to photograph this now. I also sent it to every attendee a few days ago. If you need anything for a life-threatening emergency, there's the 112, which is a EU-wide emergency number. There's also a number that is specific to this venue. But if you have something less urgent to ask about, find someone with a white lanyard like mine, and it's a committee member, so you can ask them about information. Otherwise, for things that are less urgent, and especially after the conference, feel free to email paris25@julialang.org. And during the conference, exchange with your fellow attendees on the Slack channel at JuliaCon. As you might have noticed, there is no signal down there. So we have a Wi-Fi network that you can connect to. It's called CNAM Visiteur, and you have the ID and password here. As far as the talks are concerned, they will happen in 2 amphitheaters. This is the plenary amphitheater, Jean-Baptiste Say, and the other one at the other end of the hall is Robert Faure. You have the schedule here on pre-talks. A few details about the talks. The talks will be recorded, so for anyone who's a speaker, whether it's for a tutorial, a plenary, a lightning, or full talk, you have to sign a consent form so that we can publish your video on YouTube. So if you haven't done it already, swing by the registration desk at the coffee break. We had some slight issues with the video setup, so this amphitheater should be fine, but in the other amphitheater, recording of your screen will not work if you're outside of Windows, which, since we're at a developers conference, I think it's everyone. So if you have a non-Windows computer and if you're presenting in the other amphitheater, Robert Faure, please remember to turn on screen recording, video screen recording before you start talking. On a Mac, for instance, the shortcut is Shift-Command-5, and then you'll have a video file on your computer and you can email it to me at paris25@julialang.org, and I will centralize them so that we can have all of your beautiful presentations up there on YouTube. We have a pretty tight schedule, so please remember to keep 20% of the time at the end for questions and for switching the speaker. So ideally, the next speaker should be ready in advance, and during the questions, they should step up to the podium with their laptops so that we can make the switch while questions are being answered. It's okay if you don't have the slides for answering questions. The important thing is that we keep the schedule on point. As far as posters are concerned, the ones who will be presented today, feel free to put them up before the coffee break. And otherwise, if you're presenting this afternoon, you can put them up as soon as the morning poster session is over and so on for next morning. Finally, today before lunch, we'll have a group picture taken. So if the weather is nice enough, we'll go outside in the yard and take a picture all together. Pretend we're at MIT. We have a few amazing conference highlights. We have 3 epic plenaries coming up, starting with Laura Grigori right now and Tim and Yvette later on. We have 2 amazing tutorials by Fons and Boschra and by Benoit. We took great care in constructing the scientific schedule, so we hope you'll enjoy it as much as we enjoyed reviewing it. Finally, some have been asking about the hackathon. It's also a JuliaCon tradition, no less important than the karaoke. So Friday after lunch, do not go, do not leave, do not hop on a plane, come back here and we'll code together. We'll split across the 2 amphitheaters in the coffee room and we'll just hack together on a series of projects, especially important for beginning contributors. If you've never made a contribution to Julia or one of your packages, but you want to try it out, there's plenty of more senior community members here who will be happy to help you. And to those senior members, I say, if you have project ideas for the hackathon, send them to us at the conference email and we'll put them up on the website so that beginners say, oh, I may be able to work on this SciML idea, or I'm able to work on this jump issue, or whatever you want them to focus on. And be ready to teach them. We could not be here without the generosity of our sponsors. You'll meet them outside and you'll also get to hear them in their sponsor talks. As platinum sponsors, we have Temple Capital and Code Glass. As gold sponsors, we have Julia Hub, Eutelsat, and Pumas AI. And we also have a variety of academic partners who supported us in this journey. Le CNAM, of course, who is hosting us. INRIA, the Association of European Operation Research Societies, la Société de Mathématiques Appliquées Industrielles, le groupe Calcul du CNRS, Recherche opérationnelle et décision, et Terre et Énergie, qui sont deux groupements de recherche ou réseaux thématiques, and ROADEF, Société française de recherche opérationnelle et d'aide à la décision. These are all very French, but they really cared about setting up this international event for all of you to attend. And we had other helping hands, of course, the JuliaCon Global Committee, who was a great deal of help in advising us for this conference and telling us what to do. Also, the people who organized the first JuliaCon Local in Eindhoven gave us a lot of valuable advice, and the PyData folks as well. We were sponsored throughout this endeavor, this adventure, by NumFocus, which is the Julia Project's fiscal host. So all of our money, all of our admin, all of our legal responsibilities lie with them. I think we have a member of NumFocus here today, so thank you for helping us do this. And last but not least, we have an amazing organization committee. It's actually started out as a purely French adventure. So there was this event organized here a few years back called the Julian Optimization Days. There were other editions as well, most notably in Toulouse last year. And then I barged in and said, what if we try something crazy? What if we try something bigger? What if we try to do this as a JuliaCon local conference? And so I want to thank each and every one of them for helping me today, especially my two co-chairs, who will be, unfortunately, not both of them are present, but we thank them all for their really heavy investment. You don't necessarily know when you try to plan a conference just how much work goes into it, but it's a lot of work, and we're happy to have you all to enjoy it. Now, without further ado, it's selfie time with the amphitheater, because we have this full... Yeah, it's still JIT compiling.